YouTube, what's going on? It's Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Back again today with a quick fix video for you guys on Hayward's PoolVac V-Flex. This version is actually meant for vinyl pools, but this will actually work for the concrete versions as well. Stay tuned. We're going to dive in and show you guys how to fix this thing. All right, guys, and we're back. So again, we've got the PoolVac V-Flex. This is the vinyl version. This will work for the gunite version. So we want to show you guys some quick fixes on this cleaner. As you guys can tell, I have the whole bottom half of the cleaner already gone. If you guys want to know how I got all that off and see some other additional quick fixes with those items, make sure you guys check out the playlist in the description. We'll have that available for you guys, where we've actually taken the cleaner apart from the outside in. One downfall, which on these older Hayward cleaners like this, is that in order to get access to most of the internals, you do have to start from the bottom and work your way in. There's not normally a way just to access it from the top or from the side, so you do need to follow a lot of these major pulls in order to get access to a lot of the other working items inside the cleaner. So for today's video, really simple, really quick, just want to show you guys how to remove the lower middle engine housing here. So that's this plate where you'll see these actual 6 Phillips head screws. We've actually kind of pre-loosened some of them. Located underneath that, you'll find there's a gearbox in here, as well as it'll give you more access to the actual turbine itself. So if you're looking to try to do any of those kinds of repairs, you will need to know how to take this thing off. So once you guys have removed everything to the point where we're at right now, the only tool you're going to need is just a handy dandy Phillips screwdriver, and I'm going to go around and go ahead and remove all 6 of these screws. They are, I do not believe they're self-tappers, let me look. So they are self-tapping screws, so they do go into another form of plastic on the frame. So obviously the least amount of times that you guys can do this, the better, so that you guys don't strip out any of those portions of the cleaner and cause yourself more issues. So try and make sure that before you guys go this far, that this is where you need to be in order to make your quick fix. So go ahead, keep taking them all out. Again, you want to use a power tool to remove them, not a problem. Just highly recommend using a regular screwdriver to reinstall them, just to make sure that you don't over torque them and crack the plastic and cause yourself more issues down the line. So definitely okay to use it to remove it, but never like it when you want to actually install it. So last one. Awesome. So now once all 6 of those are off, you guys can tell you can just gently lift up, and with doing so, you guys will actually be able to pull out this bottom middle housing. This is the lower middle housing, and you'll notice located right underneath of it, it has one of these small gearboxes, as well as some of your foam spacers. One of them came off here, still attached to the bottom. So here's your foam spacers. So those just help with vibration, as well as kind of double as a flotation. So it also helps make sure that the cleaner doesn't completely sink. It gives it some kind of lift. So definitely want to make sure that you still have all of these in. Don't think Hayward sells them all separately. We may have them available for you guys. So if you guys want to check out the links in the description, we'll take you guys to the website where we have a full breakdown of all the parts for the cleaner. But definitely want to make sure that you guys actually have this gearbox, because this is important to the functionality of the cleaner. So if you're running into some similar issues, there is an option here where dirt and debris can get into this. So you definitely want to make sure that as this comes off, that you're paying attention to this and trying to make sure that it is clear of any kind of debris. So put the little red cap on it so that you guys can actually see it. Some of it was still stuck down here to the other part of the spindle gear. So very notorious to a lot of Hayward cleaners. They have these internally, so this doesn't just go for the PoolVac. I know that the Navigators have it, and I know that some of the other PoolVac Classics and some other styles of these very similar cleaners have that same gearbox. So it is important that you guys make sure you get that lower middle engine housing out and make sure that everything is good inside here, which, as you guys can tell as well, it'll give you guys access in here to the full turbine. So if you're doing an entire turbine installation as well, you guys are able to get access in there for that. So just want to show you guys how to get that off and show you guys some of the internals from here. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned. We'll have some more quick fixes on how to get a little bit deeper into the cleaner and show you guys how to get access to some of the body frames as well. So I really appreciate you guys watching. And I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.